Good afternoon. Today I am going to present cultural studies paper. So my topic is Chetan Bhagat and his market. So let's start. First of all, I am share my screen. I hope my screen is visible. So first of all, I am giving introduction of Chetan Bhagat. So Chetan Bhagat was an Indian author and a columnist. He was included in Time magazine list of world's 100 most influential people in 2010. So here some his work. In his work also become some movie. So his first work, five of Chetan Bhagat's novel have been adapted into Bollywood films like Hello in 2008, Batch on One Night the Cells Call Center, Three Idiots in 2009, in a Batch on Five Point Someone, Kaipo in 2030, a batch on the three mistake of my life, and two state in 2040, a batch on novel in the same name. So what is marketing? So marketing is the purpose of promoting your business to attract consumers towards buying your product or service. In other words, marketing is simply utilizing a set of tools, methods, or strategy to get in front of your customer and convey your brand message. So, to common online marketing method or strategy used nowadays are search engine optimization, social media, advertisement, and also content in marketing. So purpose of marketing. The purpose of marketing is to generate revenue for a brand company or organization. A marketing professional and the teams achieve to through the execution of strategic digital activities that drive traffic, qualified leads, and sales in direct collaboration with their sales team. So, what is the goal of marketing? So, the purpose of marketing is to reach your target audience and communicate the benefits of your product or service. So, you can successfully acquire, keep, and grow a customer. So, your marketing goals must relate the specific business objectives your company wants to achieve. So some types of marketing: social media marketing, content marketing, relationship marketing. So what is skill do you need for marketing? Communication, creative, and solving, attention to detail, interpersonal skill, leadership, uh, adaptability, writing, data analysis and analytics, project management, social media marketing, email marketing, visual marketing, and website marketing. So what concept of Chetan Bhagat marketing? So my competition is app like a Candy Crush or WhatsApp, says Chetan Bhagat. I don't see other writers as my competition at all. I want a share of people's mind. I have to win the theme of YouTube, movie, and apps. So I have to make them interested in books. So he writes for the mass. Most of the people cannot read to save their lives. He writes in simple plain English for which they don't have to refer any dictionary, so much like what Akshay Kumar movies do for you, so you don't have to exercise your mind. So the fact that he incomplete English is something which earn him extra cookie points. So his characters are youngster maneuvering their way through the labyrinthine to successful education system, career wide and relationship problem. So the fact that he uses swear words so often brings in sexual reference in the novel. So add to his charm for the casual reader. So a cultural study approach sometimes concern not only the work that is a product produced, but also the means of production. So question of how to support the author, or of finding a publisher, and even of marketing the particular work are German to the culture milieu on which the work is produced. So five things about product marketing you can learn from Chetan Bhagat. There is no such things bad publicity. Second one is revenue doesn't care if it comes from shameless self promotion. And third one is create your own market. Fourth one is tailor your product and communication to your audience. And fifth one is go for the low high fruit grape and easy to acquire customer first. So Chetan Bhagat knows well the purpose of production, marketing, and consumption of anything as the has graduate from IIM and IIT. So he knows how best to utilize the culture, milieu, and economical condition of the readers. So he also know well the demographic of India, the country with most young people. So thus his work of concentrate on youth, so the youth, and also price of books elaborate to young pocket and 99 to 150 100 rupees. So here is a marketing use of he was also marketing use of so many tools like a social media, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and personal website, blog, etc. So his work of length of narrative and narrative style, use of a different language, and also he was mention of understanding of his work. His work of also a basic tone of Hindutva capitalism, and also sensationalism cells. So here is my work citation. Thank you.